It is too. It's like, don't bother me, I'm watching TV.
You like the other music. It was cute when you went over there.
Kitty cat watching the kitty cat on TV.
How cute is it?